In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user input in Wix Studio. If you've been wondering how to efficiently capture user information through your website, you're in the right place. Let's break down the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. First, we're going to add input elements to your site. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio Editor. Once you're in, you'll want to look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Add Elements option. This is your gateway to customizing and enhancing user interaction on your site. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options. Select Input to access all available input elements. Here, you can choose from several types depending on your requirements, such as text input, drop-down, checkbox, and more. It's as simple as dragging and dropping your chosen input elements right onto your web page, tailoring it to fit the information you're looking to gather from your users. Next, we'll move on to creating a collection, which will serve as a database for storing the data collected from these inputs. Head over to the CMS section, which is also located in the left sidebar. Once there, click on the plus New Collection button to start a new collection. It's time to give your collection a meaningful name, like User Submissions, which clearly reflects the data being stored. You'll also need to define fields that match up with the input elements you've just added. For instance, if you've inserted a text input for a name, an email input, and a message input, your collection should have fields named Name, Email, and Message. Don't forget to set the appropriate permissions for your collection to ensure that it operates smoothly and securely. Now that your collection is ready, it's time to connect the input elements to this collection. Start by adding a dataset. Just click on Add Elements again and select Dataset. You can easily drag and drop this dataset onto your page, much like we did with the input elements. In the dataset settings, make sure to select the collection you've just created, maybe titled User Submissions. Then, connect each input element by clicking on it, locating the Connect to Data icon, and mapping it to the corresponding field in your collection. This ensures that once a user inputs their information, it goes directly into the appropriate field of your collection. Finally, let's add a Submit button to allow users to send their information. Click once more on Add Elements, then select Button and place it on your page. Click on the button to access its Properties panel. Here, you need to set the button's action to submit. Double-check that your dataset's mode is set to Write, as this setting permits data submission from your form to your collection. And there you have it. You're now equipped to effectively gather user input using Wix Studio. With these steps, you've successfully created a way for users to interactively engage with your site and for you to receive and organize their input seamlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!